village! This is how it's done. All brand.
On the live webcam.
Mike, it's still got that Northwest on it though. We're gonna get shacked at supers. We're gonna get so shacked at supers. Bro, it's just this E-foil. What the helly? Okay, so there's like 3 guys out at supers. We finished devotions and now they're busy doing like a debriefing. But the waves are firing at you and I'm like psyching and Jacob sitting there. He does not want to be. So we're getting everything ready. Like the car. And I'm out there, bro.
Psyching, bro.
Wind's slowly starting to turn. We didn't get power this morning because it was the northwest. And I think the southwest is starting to come up. So we're busy getting ready. It's gonna be fun. This is the board I'm gonna be on. That board got a little crease there yesterday. So running 20 crowded shapes. Boy. Ja. Psyching, bro. Taking too long though. Sitting up at the house. We're so psyched. Jacob just finished putting on some back to nature. We're literally in our suits. D and I in our suits. But I'll like get going. So psyched. Oh my psych. Let's get down there. Back to nature. Okay, we got Brad up at the top there getting the top angle shots. Boys are running down. Okay, not as big as I thought. About 3 foot. Perfect for this board, I think. Let's need to psych up though. We found the boy. Looks absolutely insane. How was it earlier?
Yeah, it was definitely maybe a little bit bigger earlier, but the devil wind made it tricky. It's now pristine. The wind's offshore, the tide's dropping.
Hey, we're gonna score.
What can you ask for?
We just saw a crazy one on the inside. So psyched. Okay, so the thing with this is you can literally take any path. Yeah. You walk to the front. Tide's quite low today, so you can go quite forward. And my strat with jumping out is you paddle like very lightly, and as soon as you feel with your fingers or you see a rock, you get off and you like float next to your board. But if it's like dry, then you just try stand on the rock and jump over the wave. So shallow. Oh, so good. Look that thing. Traveling! So shocked, oh sack. Oh, you got so shocked? Race, Jacob, race! Race, Jacob! Bob! You boys are getting bombs out here. Like these little things that just... teasing me. It's like going, and then right at the end it's just pulling away. That thing spat though, that was sick. Fun little one, this board's so fun, this 20. So fast. It's quite slow and small. Definitely not what we thought it would be. But perfect conditions, barely anyone out. Having so much fun, so nice to be in the water. I'm exhausted though. Hoodie definitely wasn't the play. But we're getting a few sick ones. Whole day should be good, and tomorrow's gonna be firing. So stoked. Oh my sacks, let's go get more. I wonder what it looks like up at the top. Let's go check Brad's angle. Phew. Nice.
Oh my god, this is difficult. Yes, hey?
Yo, I got cooked. That thing flipped my board so hard. Bro. Pull in, dude! Pull in! No, Daniel. Oh, let's go, let's go. No! Are you kidding me? Are you guys on the road? Look at these crazy ones. Oh my gosh. Link's up at the top. Brad's getting the shot. He missed Dan's wave though, so unfortunately. I think that's Shane Thorne. This is like set of the day.
A few moments later.
4:30, going down for a surf now. Probably going until dark. Okay, just stopped at Nate Dog's house. Man, help me out. Board looks quite chunky, I won't lie. But a board's a board. Okay, let's go. Oh! Go, 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 go! Woo! Oh! Man, this is the reality of Jbay no one talks about. So slow. When the swell's wrong, it's so slow. And then you sit and someone catches a wave on the inside, then paddles around back to the top right on the inside, bro. So it's just sit and wait. But we out here, beautiful evening. Gonna have some fun. Oh, this board felt so weird. Could go sick on. Mr. Gully. No, is it? What do I hear? Hang on, what's this? Definitely picking up. I think tomorrow's the day. Head back to the house, get some food, get some rest. Let's go to tomorrow. It's currently 10:15. Boys are getting ready for tomorrow. We got my boy Jacob on the inside. You ready for tomorrow, bro?
You know, waxing this blade up. I'm stressing hard, bro. Not knowing what it's gonna be like. Hoping it falls through. Daniel's got no water ride.
I mean, we're just gonna take the blade out. Like, it's feeling good. There it is there. Solar res on. I think we're just gonna go with this board. It's just, it could be pretty big tomorrow. Bro, we're so like, Jacob and I sat for like 15 minutes just discussing what time we're gonna paddle out. I think, what time did we decide?
I don't know, what did we say? Yeah, wake up at 6, I think, did we?
Sunrise is 1:45, maybe sunrise paddle out. It's like that, just because if you don't know how big it's gonna be, could be really big. Surfline's saying good. I haven't seen good surfline. Ugh, bro.
Everyone's saying different things, bro.
But nobody's got a consensus, bro. Nobody knows. If we wake up tomorrow dead flat, I actually might cry. Actually might cry. Jacob said he's flying home. Until tomorrow, gonna get a good night's sleep. Hopefully 7 hours would be beautiful. Beautiful. So let's check. Let's go into tomorrow.
1 day later.
Absolutely firing Jbay. It's perfect. Oh, I check the water. Oh, good job, water!